Hey guys, so welcome back to another Coin Forum video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that has finally arrived to Boost Mobile. Now, it's been maybe a couple days, maybe a week or so that it arrived. So let's get into it and talk about it, since I think a lot of people don't even know we got it. So here it is, guys. As you can see, the LG Tribute Monarch came out, but the one we're talking about today is the Samsung Galaxy A21. And so far it has 3 reviews and it's about 3.5 stars. Well, yeah, about 3.5 stars out of 5. So, that gives us a little glimpse of how this phone is doing. But here it is, guys, in all its glory. It finally came out. It's on Boost Mobile's website, and it is retailing for $250, which kind of seems a little steep. But hey, Boost Mobile got you with the sales because you can save $50 off right now and get it for $200. So, not bad. But today's video, let's talk about the specs, what it comes with, and all that good stuff. So, like I said, let's look at the phone first. As you can see, it does have a, wow, that's pretty cool. A front-facing camera kind of on the screen. So in-screen front-facing camera, which is nice. As you can see, all the newer Samsung phones are doing it, the more modern ones as well. So it's kind of cool that they're showing it off with their budget line as well. So on the right side, you'll see volume up, volume down, and then that one is probably your power button. Yep, that's your power button. Here's on the side. Whoa, you can see that's a big camera just protruding outside or outward on the phone, so it's not flush at all. So let's see another side of it. Another side of it. There's nothing on this side. That's where your SIM card is going to go right there. Then let's look at the back. So wow, look at all them cameras. So it has quad cameras. So it's probably going to be like main camera, ultra wide, maybe macro, and then maybe depth camera. We'll know more in just a little bit. Like I said, I'm just guessing right now just from looking at it. Does have a fingerprint sensor as well, so that's pretty good, and of course a rear flash. So of course this right here, the camera design is going with all the A series, the A50, the A20s, the A10s, the A70s. So they're sticking with that design, which I kind of like it. Now, like I said in this previous photo that we looked at here, it does look like it kind of pops out quite a bit, But let's see what it has to say. So it says, the Samsung Galaxy A21 is built for those looking for the essential upgrade to their smartphone experience. Wow. So this phone actually has a pretty big screen, a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity O display, and a quad camera with a 16 megapixel main camera, ultra wide depth macro lens, and more creative photography. Wow. So I was pretty close with just guessing. Didn't even read that at first. It does have a pretty big battery, guys. At a 4,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty good. Definitely will last you a day or more, just depending on the use. You probably push it 2 days. Like I said, it depends on the use now. Does come with a fast charging, 15-watt fast charger support. Now it says support. Now I'm not sure if it comes with it. We'll see more, but let's keep looking. So like I said, this phone does have a 6.5-inch display, which is pretty decent. Like I said, for if you're just going to be watching YouTube videos or media consumption, that's a pretty big screen, man. 16 megapixel rear camera, 28 hours of talk time. I do like 32 gigs of storage. Like I said, this is kind of what everybody expects around this time is 32 gigs. No more 16 or 8. Definitely 8's definitely gone. 32, and I'm pretty sure in the future it's going to start at 64, just with apps getting bigger, people taking more pictures and all that stuff. I mean, with this phone I'm pretty sure you can put an expandable memory, but it does have Android 10. Let's look at the key features. So it says keeps you going, a massive 4,000 milliamp battery, fast charging capability, keeps you on the go all day. Here's the camera thing, which I think is the main feature on this phone, is the camera system. So it's a multi-roll quad camera, has a lens for every situation. So it'll have a 16 megapixel main lens for clear and bright captures, 120 degree ultra wide lens for wide angle shots, 2 megapixel depth camera. Okay, so yeah, I was basically right. For live focus, and 2 megapixel macro camera for close-up shots. So those are the 4 cameras: a main, ultra wide, depth camera, and then basically the macro. Does not have a notch, which is great. A lot of people don't like the notches. Says no notch, less bezels, more screen. the expansive 6.5-inch HD plus Infinity O screen and fingerprint sensor creates an uninterrupted design with no notch-less bezel. So I'm guessing for this price we'll probably get a 720p display. I'm hoping for 1080, but it's probably gonna be like 720. We'll see more, just because with these price ranges, manufacturers tend to put at 720, even though it's HD. So here's the specs, and we'll know more about this. So like I said, 4,000 mAh battery, talk time up to 28 hours, which is great. The battery is non-removable, so don't try to put a a screwdriver in there or anything like that. Wow. Okay, so it does have 3 gigs of RAM, which is decent, I would say, for the price. 4 gigs, I would say, would be better, of course, but at least it doesn't come with 2 gigs like the LG Monarch or anything like that. 32 gigs of memory with support up to 512 gigabytes. That's what I was talking about with Android. Is SD cards do make a difference when it comes to storage, because most people will just have a lot of pictures and videos, and that eats up most of the storage. So surprisingly, it does have a MediaTek P35, so no Snapdragon, which some people don't like MediaTek, some people do. It just really depends. Operating system, like I said, it's a Android 10. There's the cameras that we spoke about. So here's the display. It doesn't talk about like the resolution, but it does say it's a 6.5-inch HD plus TFT 19 by 5 or 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. Infinity O display. There's the dimensions. It is, wow. It does have NFC, so a lot of people do like NFC. It does come with a headphone jack. It's gonna be Type-C, of course, and other features: fast charging and rear camera, of course. It says what's included. Just says a Samsung Galaxy travel adapter, ejection pin, data cable, quick start guide. That's what's included. It doesn't say if it's a fast charger. We would have to do an unboxing to check it out, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Is this phone actually something that you guys are interested in? Should I unbox it? Should I order and unbox it? I mean, it's a little expensive for what it is, but I don't know, man. We'll see. Maybe you'll do a gaming review or something like that. Like I said, that's for a future video. But thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone for real. And if you want to support the channel, you can by checking out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that will give you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Best Buy, Boost Mobile, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will help me out once you download it and make your first purchase. It does give me a small commission, so I can bring more videos to you guys. So thank you guys, and stay safe out there. And sorry, one last thing I forgot to tell you guys that a lot of you guys been asking me is, will I be doing a review on the expanded data network, which is what this phone is also capable of. I forgot to kind of mention that in the video. But it's basically gonna be T-Mobile's network, so it really does depend if it's good in your area. I'll probably make a separate video talking about it, but if you want, I will go ahead and activate the LG Monarch, which is as well on the expanded data network, which actually, like I said, Sprint towers are basically gone. So they're trying to migrate everybody over to the new network, which is the expanded data network under T-Mobile. So I actually want to see how good it is. Is it the same as T-Mobile? Is it maybe deprioritized? All those different things that come to mind. Like I said, a lot of you guys really want to see that, because I've had videos talking about how slow Boost has been, and what Boost Mobile did, or Sprint really, because they're using their towers, where their download speeds were, they're focused more on that versus the upload speed. So people making YouTube videos was a little bit different. But yeah, like I said, I just want to take this quick minute or two just to talk about that and what's coming up to the channel. Like I said, of course, this phone just came out. I did a review on, or I did an unboxing on the LG Monarch. If you want to check that out, I'll leave it in the description below. And then I should do an unboxing and review on this one. Of course, we're going to still do videos on the LG Monarch, like gaming reviews and a bunch of other things. So we'll go and check that out. But maybe I'll get this phone too and compare both of them. It depends what you guys want to see. I think it'll be a good showdown. And also, just before I go, do you guys still want to see face-off between the LG Stylo 6 and the LG K51, which those phones I'm still using today? Like I said, I have videos on those. And let me know which one you would get. Would you get those, or maybe an A21, Are you a Samsung fan or, you know, LG? So thank you for watching, guys. Sorry for this second part, but like I said, I just want to kind of clear some things up and talk to you guys. I love talking to you guys, so thank you.